In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an info page. Let's go to the Pages menu from the list on the left. Here you will see all of the pages which already exist in the system, and we're going to add a new page. So we click Create New Info Page. This opens up an empty information page which we then need to complete. We begin by giving the page a title. Now this is just a working title within the system. This is not presented to the guest. So we're going to make a new page relating to the fire alarm procedures within the hotel. We then need to add the image for the wheel menu. This is not going to be used when presenting the tile menu to the guests, but if you're using the wheel menu, you need to add an image. And this is also applicable if this info page is presented as a matrix image within the wheel menu user interface. So you've got those two images at the top, but you don't need to worry about those if you're using the tile menu. Okay, so let's give the title that the guest will see. So in this case we're writing fire alarm and we're doing this on the English page. And then we need to put in our text. Now I already have my text ready, so I'm just going to paste that in to the information page. So there's our text in English, title and body text, and I'm going to add an image as well for the page. So we just go and grab an image from the existing images that we have, or we could add a new image if we wish. And there I have an image I wish to use, so I'm going to select that, and there you see it presented on the screen. Now we can move that around, we can put it on the right, in the middle, or on the left. I'm going to leave this one on the right hand side. Okay, so we have our English text done. I'm going to publish that now to save me coming back, and then let's move on to the Norwegian text. So first, save where I am, then pop to Norwegian, and then we're going to put in the Norwegian text. And again, I've got this already on a text file, so I'm just going to paste that in to save some time. So there's the title in Norwegian and the body text in Norwegian. And this, of course, will only appear in the menu when the Norwegian language is being used. You can have as many languages as you wish, and you can translate as many as you wish. And if you don't have a translation, then we'll just present the English version instead. So it's not important that you translate every single page. Okay, so there we are, we're ready to go with Norwegian as well. Let's put that as published. You see the little P appears next to the title, and we can save our new information page. So now we have our info page. You see it at the top of the menu, fire alarm info. Within Outram Enterprise, it's possible to preview how this is going to look for the guest. So what we're going to do is add the new information page to the menu, and then we're going to go preview how it's going to look for the guest. So under Edit Service in Hotel Information, I'm going to add my new fire alarm page. And you drag in information page, so we get a new empty information page in our menu. Press Settings, and then go and select the page from the drop down. And what you'll see here, where we select fire alarm info, is the title and the help text would come in automatically. And at the top there, when we switch to Norwegian, you'll see there's the Norwegian text automatically as well. And now we need an image which will go in the menu here as well, and we're going to pick the same image that we have within the page itself. And you'll see that there. Okay, so we have the image in place. Okay, let's come out of here and save it. And as I mentioned, we have the possibility then to go and preview this so we can see how it's going to look for the guest. So let's check, yes, everything's in place. So what we need to do next is come to our virtual TV, and this removes the need of having a TV on our desk or having to go up to the guest room to see how things will look for the guest. We open up this virtual TV in a browser, and we can navigate using the remote control by clicking on the buttons on the remote control on the screen, or we can just use our mouse and actually click on the tiles using our desktop mouse. So I'm going to click on Hotel Information. There we see our new fire alarm option on the bottom. Let's have a look at that page then. And there we see our text and image all formatted and working fine.